All right, so today we're going to start trigonometry, the big part of your curriculum this year. We're going to start with 8.1, which is the geometric mean. Okay, the geometric mean is where you multiply two of the sides together, square root your answer. So again, your answer is either going to be in its simplest radical form or a degree of accuracy that the question will ask for. And again, two of the words we come up against here in the geometric mean is the extreme and the means. You did this with ratio and proportion where you cross multiply. But in this case now what we're going to be doing together is we're going to be multiplying the two geometric means together, simplifying your answer as best as you can. And again, make sure you read the question. Sometimes the question is going to ask you to leave it in its simplest radical form or to a degree of accuracy. So make sure you read the question. Okay. All right. So let's have a look at the geometric mean. So question number one, the geometric mean of 5 and 20. So all you're going to do is you're going to do 5. You want the square root of 5 times 20. It's entirely up to you whether you simplify each of the radicals first or whether you just do the math. Well, the math is 5 times 20 is the square root of 100, and you should know that the square root of 100 is 10. And this is where students start to make mistakes. Okay, it's the geometric mean of the same sides of two different triangles that are similar that you have to put together. So be careful, because sometimes you've got a length given, sometimes you've got to add two numbers to get a length. So make sure that you do that first. Okay, but basically the geometric mean is multiplying two sides together to make the altitude. Come to that in a few minutes. Okay, example 5. 3, obviously x, y, and z. So you've got to work out which is what we're after. So let's start with x first. X is part of this triangle here and also this triangle here. So that's the geometric mean which you've been doing. So that's going to be the square root of 3 times 12, which will give you the square root of 36, which will give you a full answer of 6. Okay, y. Y is slightly different. Y is part of this triangle here and all of this triangle here. So it's part of the smaller one and the complete large one. So this time it's 3 times 15. Okay, the 12 and the 3, 15. Square root of 3 times 15 will give you square root 45. You can simplify that by 9 times 3. Square root of 9 is 3, so it's 3 times root 5. If you want to put that in decimal points, that's 6.7. But again, make sure you read the question. Finally, the z part. Well, z is, again, it's this bit. It's part of this triangle, which is 12, and the whole triangle. So this time, it's the square root of 12 times 15, which will give you the square root of 180. 36 will go into 185 times, so that will give you 6 root 5.